Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here on my honeymoon with my new wife in Tobago. This is going to be the start of quite a few vlogs in Tobago now, because of course we're going to utilize the time over here to, you know, make some content in this part of Trinidad and Tobago, where normally I've been in Trinidad over the last few months, but Tobago is obviously a very special place to all of us who live in this country. Extremely beautiful, true paradise, as anybody who's ever been to this country knows. So today we're going to be heading out to Fort Bennett, which is a small little beautiful place that overlooks Grafton Beach and to the other side Turtle Bay. And it's a very simple place to access. We're going to just take a quick drive. You walk in, I believe there's a beautiful cabana overlooking the cliffs. And yeah, we've never been before, so we're going to check it out, see some of the history and that kind of stuff about it. Take some drone video, film, maybe some photography and that kind of stuff. Maybe Stephanie will do some vlogging as well too, you know, since she's now my better half and I have to listen to whatever she says. So yeah, we're gonna head across there now and she's gonna take us out. Tell them let's head to the place.
Let's go.
Let's go. And normally we'll slap it in, but we're not using the GoPro. What's your name?
Cassandra Swift.
Cassandra?
Cassandra Swift.
Hi Cassandra, my name is Alan. Cassandra did not let me in this place today, right?
No, we're not going to do that one.
You're not going to do that one. Thank you very much. We won't be long. Good. Yeah, what?
Rooster friends.
A rooster friend. So we've just entered the fort here. Apparently it's not so much open to visitors at the moment, but they gave us a little blind, so we appreciate that. And we're walking straight up the little path now into the fort itself. Stephanie leading the way. She's the new leader of this vlog. I always like to be second fiddle in these things.
Which way?
I don't know. Which way? Which way do we go?
That's alright,
Stephanie's going on a mask like a good person.
And a hat. All the things.
Alright, so we stopped on a little bench here to give you some information about this fort before we go and explore it a little bit more and show off some of the beauty of it. So, Fort Bennett is located in Black Rock, Tobago, overlooking Grafton Beach. The fort was built by the Dutch between 1628 and 1636. Later on, in the 1680s, the Courlanders refortified it in order to protect their flourishing settlement in the Great Courland Bay area. The fort then fell into the hands of the British in the 1800s and was again fortified to protect their claim to Tobago. The fort was mainly for military purposes when it protected sugar loading operations in the adjacent bay from American privateers harassing the British during the American Revolution. Archaeologists suggest that the remnant walls can be found under the undulating surface of the fort, an indication of the constant reconstruction that took place in the wake of numerous battles fought here. The signature cannons are still positioned safely in a recess near the entrance to the grounds, illustrating how the British battery may have originally looked. A small gazebo sits on the end of a short and winding path, offering shelter from the elements and a panoramic view of the bay. Everywhere you walk in this very small but beautiful fort, there's just awesome views. I'll take some close-up shots with the other camera so we could get some zoom, but with the GoPro right now, on this end here, you could definitely see that's Grafton Bay down there, and all the fishermen and stuff getting ready to go out for their morning fish. And then you continue to walk through, and the grounds are just sprawling, well manicured and beautiful. There's Stephanie talking to her friends on her phone. And if you keep going here, there's many benches to have seats at, relax in the shade. So we're going to take a little walk on the other side now, have a look at Turtle Bay on that end over there, and as well as take a walk out to the gazebo, which is beautifully placed on the point as we discussed earlier. So yeah, and we're getting a bright sunny day. As you can see, I'm squinting right now with my eyes. Also quite a lot of birds and different things here too, which I didn't expect, considering it was just a very small area. But I've seen woodpeckers and hummingbirds, many different things as I've been walking through here thus far. So here we have Turtle Bay over here on this end. And as we saw earlier, that Grafton was on the other side. So this point is actually in a really beautiful spot to overlook two of the nicer beaches in Tobago, to be honest. We're heading out to the point now. There's apparently a fallen tree here. I didn't knock that down, so I'm not responsible for it. Stephanie's taking us out to the beautiful little gazebo right on the point itself here. Perfectly placed. We should have got married here.
I know. Thought about it.
Full panoramic view. Birdies. Alright, so Stephanie's going to introduce the cinematic part of the video now. Do it.
So what do I say again?
You have to say, we're going to do the cinematics now, let's go, and then you slap it into your chest.
We're gonna do the cinematics now.
You're not talking to me, you're talking to them.
Okay, we're gonna do the cinematics now. Let's go.
No.
Like that?
Go back out, no.
Or like that?
No. Harder.
I don't want to hurt it.
Go.
Okay, let's go.
Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little quick tour of Fort Bennett. It's actually a really beautiful little place, super accessible to anybody. You literally just pull up and park your car, walk in. Of course, once the place is open, the security guard is very kind to us, you know. It's always good if you show up and you're pleasant. Maybe people will give you a little extra bly at times when you come to Tobago, you know. Treat them well, be respectful, and, you know, just do the right thing and you might get through with something. What else am I trying to say?
Thanks for watching.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and of course look out for future videos featuring Tobago and Trinidad, of course, but the next few may be Tobago as we're over here now. And I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and again, please like and subscribe because it really helps the channel grow, whether it's beaches, culture, food, anything to do with Trinidad and Tobago. So yeah, until I see you again, Stephanie probably wants to say goodbye before I slap the GoPro into her body.
Oh God, please don't. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and we're out. Just a quick little extra piece at the end of the video here. Apparently there's a little gazebo right down below the fort that goes on to Turtle Beach itself. We're not gonna go too far onto the beach, but we're gonna go and check it out, you know, just legally, of course. Right, babe?
Yeah.
Very, very legal.
Very legal.
Very legal. We only do legal things on this channel.
Legal.
Baby, guide, take us down.
Guide us.
Guide us. Yes.
It's a shame we can't go on.
It's a shame that we can't go to the beach. A damn shame that we can't go to the beach. Look how close the beach is. If I could only reach out and touch it. But we can't go because, you know, we'll get COVID if we go on the beach, of course.
Oh no.
Oh God, I said bad things. Stephanie didn't like that. But here it is. This is a little part of Turtle Beach. Maybe someday in the future I'll come back and actually walk on the beach and show it off a little bit. But thank you very much again, guys. Peace out. Next week we go again. Thank you.